APHLC Party Bitumatum, West Karbi Long, Pelangpia Pamalong Kahumrida. Langper constituency PS upon BJP Mondola Sahemalong Bluetooth speaker Keronpon. Langgethepen Kisunga Rata Tumaphan APHLC Party Klembangpu Habi Intilijang Kerap Kepajerdang. Solar project alam puthak pen Chintong APHLC committee atum Pherangkia Maikangni.
Birta ke la rado anaphan gardom pajelo gardom non birta than jebang sami ojang terangpi non arju itha birtang tonpen.
West Karbi Long pen Meghalaya aduya hoyalong longlialam ki pen aningkan wang tamni suluk sodak dobom. Lasong si kedam tang vu signify ingkoi rap pho arnita lapang ap khasipi maratung Meghalaya ahoy pen kilometer hinian Karbi Long ar lunang luchoksi Karbi atum kachui ador kedu chandanarong phulap chorlaplo lapen kema hemtami pre-lapsi method dudlo lapusona pora hot ahoy long kedu Karbi atum avia phik pusitami longli philang jerai kom du nangji pupena jok khasipi maratum kateng khengpen Karbi atum arenga huta sudunlo
Karan hatanang ap kang dak lo la dana le lo unedal lo mati ya ama se dak ni thang pier kang lok
aduya hoyalong suluk soda katomon ke japo arjulong si vosini phaing ko ratrok siarni APHLC party amai phu IS retire je ai ka tharpen jalin ponsi adilung pen tapar hawar an ka homridam
Ghost to kundu. Get to cross no kuro ami.
Ghost to kenega etu ami sabo bisari asu aro moi okole sabo bisaru no rice sabo bisari apnar logot ekhente sa ekhente ami himito koribo lego ekhini pa apnar logot plantation asile acha lage non helang boke edi
Kalang na helang ye. Akimila.
itu kita mata
Plastic ye. Ilang nilo.
Mekhang Karbi Long binong lapen kedam tang 1972 ningkan India survey tengsi map lapen landmark tengsi nonta duthip lapen komat ne atumang bong nang chijok dong si inglong so khayang bong ke pache bohong pen ali ke chu en dunjia phan ka bor ita hai pusi APHLC mai phu IS retire je ai ka tharpen ning jepon lapen inglong so khai ning si ke dopet jia phan APHLC party mai phu pen pachini pon thu Tapat pen Barnabas B. Karbi Longri Abirta.
Who is controllable by them to win the election. So that is the reason why they want the tribal people to quarrel, to divide the tribal people, the votes of the tribal people among many persons, so that only the person who is selected by them should win the election. That is the reason why they are making us quarrel. We don't want such kind of quarrel. We want to stay peacefully, happily, peacefully with all the tribal people, the Khasis, Nagas, every Jaintias and everybody. At Kankadwi, the representatives of the king of the Khasis and Jaintias and the representative, a general of Karbi king, they signed an agreement there about 500 years ago. All these things we have got history. It is at Kankadwi. At Kankadwi. We must remember it is still there on the road along the highway. Therefore, we do not mind. Now what we want to know is that the government should publicize properly. Notification must be issued properly. Which are the area that has been given to Meghalaya from Karbi Long in the give and take policy. We do not mind that after knowing this we will quarrel. No. If it is given, the land is given, then it is done by the chief ministers, the two government and the council, Karbi Long Autonomous Council. That is why, we do not want to quarrel about that. And for the time being, we do not want to quarrel about that. We want that if we know about this thing, then we will know which area for whatever we do. If this area, this where we are, this what is that chloric or is this Pelampia pump or chloride falls within Meghalaya, then the person who has done plantation here, he should have taken permission from Meghalaya government, not from Assam. Then there will be no problem. So what now we want to say is that we do not want to have any confrontation, quarrel among the tribal people. If the tribal people quarrel, it is always there. It is always used to quarrel. If the tribal people quarrel, see, it is always between Khasis and Karbis, Karbis and Dimasas, Karbis and Garos, Karbis and Tiwas, Karbis and Rengmanaga, Karbis and Kuki, Karbis and Nagas. Why is this all the time? Why not with others? Only with the tribal people. There must be somebody who is instigating among the tribal people to quarrel. So that, why they want us to quarrel is, so that during election, the Bongo Senas, Bihar Senas and other non-tribal people, other than Khilonjia or Homia, indigenous or Assamese, they used to vote ex-setia, that is one-sided, total one-sided, and they used to defeat the candidates of the hill tribes people. They, Bongo Senas, Bihar Senas and RSS, they used to select, they used to win a person who is amenable to them, who agrees to whatever they say. So now what is happening in Karbi Anglong? And then all the other important, not only teacher appointment, all appointments, and then they also have taken land patas as they like. They are not moving out of this PGR and VGR land. PGR, VGR land is only reserved for the animals. And then if it is to be given, it has to be given to the tribal people or scheduled tribe, scheduled caste. That is what the Supreme Court also have said. But in Karbi Anglong, scheduled caste does not come into the picture because it is tribal area.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi pen ajiklo ajon wangta man ki bat po thi pi pen rada tuma phan lam thi ke than pondu bonta langpher MEC constituency angkang phokebra ke thom polling station du la so lam thi karju dunja phan penang an PS along TV radio ka vedera jok rada tum la so lam thi arju dun long le det titilo la sia PS tina longta rada tum la so lam thi joy ke pen karju dun long ja phan madhuram lek thi ari deng pen langpher BJP mondola sa hemalong PS tina tuma phanta Bluetooth speaker ke ronpon Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi pen ajeklo jon wangta man ki bat pu lam thegi jai ponalong lang pherara tum non pen ki joy ke pen arju dun long po la pen man ki bat pu ajai mek abang ki political pu alamawi lasi anutin abang pu abang phi atum setami arju dun mi pusi madhuram lek thi pen pachini ponthu bolong komaji pen Rajesh Ronghang Karbi Longri Abirta
lang pher BJP mondola sai hemalong Dani litum langfer mondo langkang mate langfer mosti long pokebra ke thom pulling station do long pokebra ke thom pulling station do dang langfer angkang lo litum la long pokebra ke thom pulling along lanon litum BJP long si program do kula litum adet Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji alang lila ceklo yon pen kujut si deobar mate Sunday hala so agni alo mate Modi ji mate Prime Minister man ki bat so program do iki sumana budo lo bangke itu sound system ka dure pinana ki sung do anu tina karju bang aning hang sita ada facility hormu kabe TV ave ba mane radio ave ba mobile do pusta net ave jola so pinana kisung do amasila Modi ji program ke lang dia ning hang atum bangka ane aju dunong de tin ason ni tum thek long lo la se ni tum pini da party to menching mai lo mondol committee to menching mai se pulling tin lo same PS committee ari deng lo ni tum la Bluetooth device itulah speaker pro Bluetooth speaker isi ni keron pon pada pon lo abane ni tum la mon ki bat Prime Minister mon ki bat program bang mesen dan ke pacun pon thege pansi Kalau so asai ni tum deng kono.
Kala nang li jungjung ben tong keron pro masa
So nili pensi people lo. Adok so ya sab hedi. Lang li tum aningkan no mati. La so mon ke bat program ke deng nang mithang ben lo se lang tum bari deng kono. Iba ni lita ningi cereng no lo. Booth committee president secretary tu cepat do ni thekong lo. Sini listame ano bang ke cerap ni pan body pensi la bang so itu di speaker bang ke nilihin pen pathik tu pon lo. Pen ke la so mon ki bata program bang ke lagi only ni tum party amuni tum lagi do chor nahi la person kali hala ke political program kali prime minister kata ningje jela daga bang ke kadu kawe society tum anda langin me every citizen tum ta langin me sarhu tum ta langin me arta do tum ta me langin me lo pen ke belak political so tum ta yong si ke langdun ning hang bo tang ke langin me tela da ke political alam ning je det ke chari long ko PPC ke claim ke dama det pi long la prime minister amit hang jung pen la hai patha alam si aningar lo alam ke than amai pina la sika du beta dudun me la pen ni la chuning ri lo la non nangeli di tarik ko ra se ke ke Sunday lo mate deobar ni la bang so man ke bata bang ke anu tinta chitong dunia je panse ni nil pen chuneri ko
non about episode ko ano sir mon ke bat
non ya bang ke 126 bang le po
126
West Karbi Anglong lakhai si Dwaramla constituency ke parlu borkok lek therong teronarong langge thepen radatum kichu movipen kisung chichak nanglo bangsolong APHLC apartialong klembang phu habing tili jangta radatum laso kisung theklong si break jam asonga tumpen chingki jethan chuning ridam pen kichu hormu pen chinglok kapre ka sonamung pini vusik ni phai ingkoi ratrok si arni borkok radatum phan kera pajir damlo
Vai song lek the Vai song lek the
La so kerap ke pajir damahot APHLC party tiri pialong klembang phu habi intili jang duaramla CC pen moja singh ronghang ranjit ingti indro be mongol singh be het singh teron chandro hanse atum chetong nungsi kisung det araratuma phan kerap kapajir dam misen pen pachun pon amri pen hemari bongrum Karbi Longri Abirta West Karbi Anglong lakha ke thom Jinthong APHLC committee atum pen phirang ke mai kangni kedamtang vusing ni phai ingkoi ra ke thom ingdeng troxi ke rapli KAEC foundation de talon pon arni KAEC deputy speaker avijit gropen solar project Karbi Anglong along KBC kemi lapen borjan constituency along bilong ledet pulote Jinthong MEC angkang along pabipon nang pusi ningji
long a problem sa bangke la bangke solar project bangke lagi ki bipon sa kemi po bang si nilin ke pupon ji nili constituency ke kali bons dame nili ase Jinthong constituency a MEC in bangke borjan along solar project ki bipon bangke akemi lagi ate iri tuma bilo Karbi Long Thomas Council mate Karbi Long riso ijang atum do pigla unemployed youth to unemployed youth a problem kapasofi kan ke penana industry ke wan si akimi lo na bangke la penon son solar project ke wan tang ho la he bangke da ilutung woreng our side pen chino kapre me long do ning pola la si nilim na bangke solar project ke bi pon bangla ke akimi san yong si boryan ara da tum bi pon ing tung te polo te Jinthong long bangke nilin ten bangke welcome la
Bangso KAEC Foundation de Katalon Pon Arni KAEC Deputy Speaker Avijit Kropen Solar Project Karbi Anglong along KBC Kemelapen Borjan Constituency along Bilong Ledet Poloti Jinthong MEC angkang along Pabinang Pusi Ningjelo KAEC Deputy Speaker Avijit Kro Lapuson Ningjedet ki Kosonpo Athi Solar Project Phan Longli Suri Grainer Cap Anki Endetpo Lapu poloti Jinthong MEC constituency angkangan ki solar aplangsi nangdeng thipo ladaga hawara radatum haku phisar phusar akai hotpen along le aphelang anki na hokdun etpu lasila solong chikroidun thekthi pusi Jinthong APHLC committee atumpen laso apherangki amayalong pen ningjepon
lasipinia press meet ke phapon alam thegela phelo non ke damtang Council of Foundation Dearni local emisi akaya visit group solar puthak solar project puthak kaningje to alang ni kaningje pon kala kohelo borjana ha warjong si solar project chak chelo plonte chinthonga nong rialong kibidam je pan ke nilin pen kamlo usi alang lihin reporter tum media thengno alang li lam thi chipiklang lo tasinili tum mathalo alang li ania lo ke mangdu laso solar project chinthonga long ke banje pan alang li ania lo ke mangdu usini tum pang theklo lasila ke isi chinthonga ra pan isi ning duk abirta lo usini tum hok lo athe pipo sining duk ma poke labangso solar project ke ciri si ciri hini ciri ke thom project kali ciri suri krener kep si along liat dang si labangso solar aplang abang ke pacing cap thipji ulota ciri suri krener kep ulotan ke cing thong adang ke pun derji lage pun derji ulotan te ladak ke ha ningkan suri kwan penane karbi gorkha lapen khasiatu rong rup kachukim khiti miti ka chukim hidi pen chenglok red ka chuteki along le kaduk ka ve anta kompania phan pilap sila so solar nang e poplonte la he arat chinthong long ke duprong arat atum konak lo ke dampo kupi lo ke chupo hal bangsu abangke isi rat aphan kahing nupik asai lo la pen rat aphan ka chinek asai lo kusi hokman ko
Bini Abirta lansi kangton lo kardong.